everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. So today I'm gonna have an unboxing video for one of my favorite subscription boxes, which is Goddess Provisions, as you can tell by the title. I've been getting this box for on and off for about a year now. I don't get it every single month. I'll kind of look on their Instagram for their spoilers and I'll see if it's something that I'm interested in. And it's like $33 a month, I believe. And you usually get like over $100 worth of products. I think it's a really good deal if it's something, you know, that month that you're really interested in. So I'm gonna go ahead. Today I have the February 2020 box, and I know it's almost March, but I've been waiting a couple weeks to actually open the box on video for you guys, so we'll get right into it. So I have the box right over here. So this is what it looks like. The back of the box has their logo on it, Goddess Provisions. I love like the moon symbolism. That's one of the reasons I first started ordering from them. And I'll go ahead and open it up. I have opened the box already just to make sure everything was in there, but I haven't used or really opened any of the products quite yet. So when you open the box up, very similar logo. They've got the lotus flower, the crystals, the flower of life, all sorts of cool symbols inside. And as you guys can see, got a few things inside of here. So this is actually probably my favorite thing from the box so far. And this is a dry bag, so you can use it when you go camping or you go to the beach, and it keeps all your essentials dry. You can put your phone in here, really anything you wanted to, some snacks. And I just love the pattern on this bag with the different crystals and the succulents. This is the reason I ordered the box this month, actually, was because I just really wanted to have this bag. And my husband and I, we go camping and we go to the beach quite a bit during the spring and the summertime, so I knew it would come in handy. Yeah, and it has like this little closure thing on the top, so you can like buckle it in place and attach it, and then I think you like roll it around itself, and that's the way you keep it dry. But I'm sure, yeah, they have directions on here as well. But yeah, definitely one of my favorite things. And there's a few more things in the box which I'm going to show you guys. So next up, and I haven't taken this out of the packaging yet, is this really cute amethyst crystal enamel pin. So I forgot to mention the theme of this month's box, I think, is Amethyst Aura. So they have a different theme every single month. And it varies quite a bit, but it's usually something to do, you know, with health or wellness or like spiritualism or crystals or something along those lines. But yeah, you can wear this pin on your jacket, your hat, anything like that, but it's really cute. Has a little bit of a glitter detail as well, which is nice. Yeah, but I'm excited to find somewhere to put this little guy. Good, and a few more things. Next up are these super cute little fabric stickers. So there's like a magic ball, and then it's like a tarot hand, or I'm not exactly sure what you would call that. But it says tap into your psychic powers, which is really cool. So you can stick these again to like a hat, a backpack, jacket, anything that you'd like. And I'll have to find a place for these as well. So awesome. Good. So next up, I actually am already wearing this one. So it came in this little package, and it is this amethyst bracelet with the moon phases on it. And on the back of the package, it says, amethyst crystals provide calm, tranquility, and peace. They bestow stability and strength. They are excellent for meditation and cleansing the aura. So I just love that. It's just such a nice design with like the little amethyst crystal in the middle, and then the moon phase going around the cuff. And I'm fairly certain that it is, so this bracelet is silver plated brass. So you don't really want to wear it in the water, but that's not a problem. It's very beautiful. So very happy with that as well. And still have a couple of things left. So next up is this little bath soak. So it says Amethyst Charged Butterfly Lavender. And it's got a picture of the amethyst crystal on the front. And as it says, you'll just use it in your bath water. And I love like bath soaks, bath bombs, that type of thing. So I'm really excited to try this out. It doesn't really have a smell that I can smell through the packaging, but I'm sure it probably smells really nice as well. So I'll let you guys know how this turns out. And then there's 2 more things left in the box. So next up is this really pretty nail polish, and it's called Mystic Manny, and the brand is Love by Luna. And it's kind of an amethyst color, like a really pretty purple, if you guys can see. But I don't usually wear like really bright nail polish colors, but I think I'm definitely gonna have to try this on maybe my toes this spring just to see what the color is like. I'm usually more of like a neutral girl, but I think I will try this because it is like just a really unique color. I don't think I've seen a nail polish color quite like this before, so that is great. Good. And last but not least, they send a different crystal in their box every single month, and sometimes they have, you know, really special crystals, and this month just happened to be kind of a special shape. So today I have this little amethyst pyramid, and what really makes it special is when you turn it over, you guys can see that there's this little kind of gold detail with the pyramid and the eye shape on the bottom. And I just think it's really cute. It's kind of small, but it's a really nice size you can use for your meditation or just to sit, you know, on your altar or anything like that. But I definitely love him. And so that is it for the products in the box. But every month they always send out their product card, and they always have nice artwork on it. So I'll show you guys that as well. So this month's card is this really beautiful mermaid, and she has like the amethyst crown and the amethyst staff. And within the card, they include everything that was in the box, kind of the pricing of what the product would be on its own, and the maker of the product. I've noticed that they really try to support like small artists and small brands, which I also love. And pretty much all of their products are really sustainable and vegan and environmentally friendly, so that is something I support a lot as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely check out Goddess Provisions website. This is not sponsored by them whatsoever. It's just really something I like to do, and I'm thinking if you are similar to me, it's something you would also like to check out. And leave a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite thing out of the box was, and if you think you might end up ordering from them sometime in the future. And yeah, don't forget, remember at least one positive thing about your day, and maybe just write it down or just take a minute or two just to really think about what that one happy thing was that you experienced. And I promise it will make your day just a little bit better. So thanks again for watching, everybody. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!